This is my final challenge video. Okay, so when this block means that when innovation is touched, innovation will set on visible false. It means that it will be invisible and its speed will turn to 0, which means that it will stop. Then it will move to 64 canvas height, which is like a coordinate. Well, call random logos literally. It calls any logos that we have on stock. Now the score, it at 1 point if we click the logo, so it will increase our score if we click the logo. This works exactly the same. Set human sense visible to false, it is invisible. Speed set to 0, it stops. These are just like some coordinates. Random logos the same, score the same. This is just as the other one. No, this one is exactly the same. And so okay, this actually picks any logo we have. This helps us picking our logos. So this pick any logo we have and set it, and it also set the speed of our logos while they are navigating towards the top of our screen. Then we have this right here, which also helps us with the speed, and this is what makes our logos be visible on canvas when we touch canvas. The next one is this one right here. Okay, this one is the reset button. So as its name says, when you click the reset button, this is like the whole block that resets the app. So we have right here a list. This indicates the app, what does it need to do. Then this actually sets the measurement of our logos, like length, width, height, that stuff. So we have it right here. Random logos, we can pick any logo we have, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Then edge reach. Okay, this is the block that indicates that when the edge of the screen is reached, it will automatically stop our human sense logo. In this case, it will set its speed to 0, and then it will turn invisible, and it will appear on these coordinates, and then it will again call a random logo and call lose. And with lose, it means that you lose 1 life of the 3 you have on stock. Okay, next one is exactly the same as this one. It works exactly the same. There's no case for me to explain it again. Okay, lose. This is the whole block that, as you see, this is like the key that activates this whole block. Okay, so when life, if life is visible when lose is activated and life is visible, immediately when lose is activated, it will set life visible to false. So that means that we won't see the life 1 as well as life 2 and life 3. Now, when you lose your 3 opportunities, the app will send a notification that says game over, and it will set our logo's speed to 0. It means that the whole app will stop. And then we have right here, hold on. Okay. This just creates an empty list. This is practically, this is useful, but it's not it does not have a big science at all, so there is no case for me to explain it. As you see, what you're reading is actually what it does. Initialize global logos to create empty list. That's the explanation. Then random logos picks random logos as it says and helps us with the speed. Then okay, that is pretty much it for this screen. Then we have screen 2. This just as you see, this is just like transitions between screens. Screen number 3, this is the menu where you can get instructions. So when you click on the button 1, it will set a notification that says that the game instructions. Then screen 4, this is exactly the same as screen 1. I just modified the speed of our, as you see, there is speed to number 10 because this is a harder level. Now this is just like transitions from screen to screen as well, and we have right here the same as screen number 4 and screen number 1, but instead of number 10 and number 5 on speed, I set this one to number 15 because this is level number 3, so it is more difficult. So that is pretty much it. Thank you very much.